Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is the third and final video to Mama's Enchiladas Her Way. And I brought them out of the oven. They've been baking, and I tell you what, it smells great in here. Fixing to unveil them and go ahead and plate them up here. Show you how they come out. Over here I have the enchiladas themselves, and as you can see, oh man, look at that. The cheese and onions, and it smells delicious. And I also made some beans, so we have beans over here. Go ahead and plate this up and show you how they come out. See if I can get some. And oh man, I tell you. Piping hot, delicious, and just got these beans. We're going to go ahead and plate some of them up, and they are cooked to go on the side here as a side dish. And there you have it. Got the enchiladas and the beans, and I tell you, it smells delicious. And I know it's going to taste delicious. Let me go ahead and take a little taste of them. Put this down. Just see if it brings back the memories of Mama's enchiladas. I'll tell you what. Oh man. If I can get some here. Bear with me. I'm working on it. Oh yeah. That Longhorn cheese, oh, it brings it out. This right here brings it back so many memories, fond memories. It tastes just like Mama used to make, except Mama made it a little bit better. I don't know. Could be the enchilada sauce I used or something to that effect. But, it is delicious. Hope you give this a try. If you can't find the Longhorn cheese, you can use cheddar or any kind of cheese you want. This is just a memory of when my mom used to make the enchiladas and how good they were, and it's just a icon in time, and that's it's just fantastic. This is Scoggett. Appreciate all you viewers and subscribers. We got some enchiladas to eat, and believe you me, I'm going to eat them. And appreciate all you viewers and subscribers, and y'all take care.